Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add email address to Instagram. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Instagram application on your mobile phone. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then here, you'll be taken to home page. Now tap on your profile present at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines present at the top right corner. Now here tap on account center option present at the top. Then here you'll be able to find personal details, tap on it. Then tap on contact info option present at the top. Now here you'll be able to find your contact information, that is your email address or your phone number. Now tap on add new contact option present at the bottom. Now here select add email address option. After this, tap on enter email address box and enter the email address that you want to add to your Instagram account. Then here choose the account for the email address. Make sure you choose your Instagram account. You can also select your Facebook account or Meta account connected with Instagram. If you have already connected your email address, the former email address may be removed. After this, tap on next. Now you'll receive a verification code on your email, so open your email. Then look for the mail sent by Instagram. Then tap on it. After this, you'll be able to find the verification code. You can copy the verification code. Then go back to Instagram application and enter the verification code. After you enter the verification code, tap on next. With this here you can see your email address has been added, so tap on close. And this is how you simply add email address to Instagram. Thank you for watching everyone. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.